Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going back to CodeSignal, work on the Python coding exercises. If you're joining this in the middle of the playlist, I'll put a link in the description below so you can start from the beginning if you wish. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go to Arcade, go to Python. So we're in the lurking and list section, number 22, list concatenation. So there's a bug in one line of the code. Find it, fix it, and submit. All right. So given two lists, we got list 1 and list 2. Your task is to return a list formed by the elements of list 1 followed by the elements of list 2. Note this is a bug fix task, which means that the function is already implemented, but there is a bug in one of its lines. Your task is to find and fix it. All right. So here's an example. You've got a list with 3 elements here, 2, 2, 1, and list 2 with 2 elements, 10 and 11. The output should be a list with 5 elements. All right, so let's look at the code here. So they do res equals list 1, that's fine. Res.append list 2, and then it just returns the res that was created. So the bug is probably in this line of code right here. And the reason that this is a bug is I'll show you what happens when you use the append function. So let's just do a equals blank in their example 2 comma 2 comma 1. So there's list 1, and then list 2. Let's put b equals, they got 10 and 11 in their example, so let's do that. So if I do a dot append b, what's going to happen is you're going to have 2 2 1 comma and then a list inside of the list of 10 and 11. So let's take a look at that. Sorry, not B, A. So you can see you got 2 1 2 2 1, and then inside of the list another list, which is B. And that's not what we want. We want 10 and 11 added as individual items in the bigger list overall. So what we want to do, let's change A back here. Just pressing up, I can get to the previous things that I entered. So I changed A back. So now I'm going to go a.extend, use the extend function instead of the append. Extend B. And if we see now A is looking how we want it to look. So we're going to use that extend function here. And if we run the test, we'll see that we get what we want. So an empty list, it doesn't add anything. There's another empty list. So here you can see it's individual items. If we use the append, it would have put this list after all these items as another part of the list. All right. Hope you guys learned about the difference between append and extend, and I hope you join me for future videos. Thank you very much.